Health System in La Crosse has a program that's helping parents who have children with mental health disorders like ADHD.
The 6-week course gives parents tools to try to make their child's life easier. News 8's Jordan Fremstead tells us how the course helped one family understand the challenges their child faces every day.
Children with attention deficit hyperactivity disorder can struggle with many different things. Whether it's paying attention, following simple instructions, or understanding social cues, their brain functions at a different level than a normal developing brain. One family took notice of these signs in their son at an early age, and they're doing everything they can to understand their child so they can help him succeed in life.
Can you stand in one spot if you're going to perform?
The atmosphere at the Schock family residence is full of energy. They have a son named Joven who lights up a room.
My father's name is John, and then her dad's name's Kevin, so that's Joven put together.
His personality brings a smile to everyone he encounters.
He's been full of life ever since he has been born.
But his parents noticed that he wasn't quite developing like other kids his age.
I think after one, we started saying, you know, when we describe him to other people or we think of getting a babysitter, we'd always say like, oh, Joven's a lot.
They decided to get him evaluated and found out that their son had ADHD.
ADHD stands for Attention Deficit Hyperactivity Disorder. It's when you have kids that have more issues with maybe hyperactivity or inattention than the average kid.
After the diagnosis, his parents had a new challenge in their life.
We just had a ton of questions with things.
They were connected with a course at Mayo Clinic Health System that helps educate parents on how to help their children overcome their obstacles.
This class really helps parents learn to be cheerleaders for their child.
It has given them tools to use at home on a daily basis.
You get to be a super parent.
If you go in the bathroom, we have like pictures to show exactly what is supposed to be done and what order it's supposed to be done. To help him kind of run through that process.
It gives the Schocks the answer to the why of their actions.
Until you can understand the why behind things, it makes it really hard to feel confident and feel the importance of why do we implement things like visual schedules and why do we spend time praising him for every little thing.
While the course has helped a lot, there are still challenges.
You know, as parents, you kind of feel like you're not doing your job as well as you should be doing. We had a long conversation about parent shaming, which is basically what happens when your kid is on the floor breakdancing and people are looking at you being like, are you going to do something?
But they say they feel more confident that they'll be able to help Joven reach all of his goals.
I think society can definitely make it feel, though, that labels can limit, but labels really better help understand. And with understanding, I feel like everyone can do better. That's a wrap.
Clap, everybody!
Health experts say children with ADHD hear more negative comments than children who do not have the disorder, and that can lead to other problems such as depression and anxiety. They say this course helps develop more positive ways to deal with a child's behavior and help them overcome their challenges in a proactive way.
Okay, thanks a lot, Jordan. And officials at Mayo Clinic Health System say they have another course beginning this January for parents of both younger children and teens with ADHD.
And you can always contact the pediatrics department for more information.